In the name of Allah, the gracious, the merciful, welcome to my channel. Roma was a beautician who recently opened her own beauty salon in the city. It was going well. New customer was coming every day. Roma facial treatment was very popular among the ladies. Oh wow, Roma, what a glow! Thank you, ma'am. Do visit again. Yes, of course. I will come there every day and told my friends to visit your salon. And this is how Roma business was working very well because her gold facial was ladies' favorite. At the next day, Roma increased her facial charges for her own profit. Client said, Roma, it was just 700 rupees last month and now you raised the price 500. Roma replied, ma'am, actually company has raised the price so I have to manage. Oh, that's fine, no problem. But Roma, you just maintain the quality. Okay, ma'am. One day, a salesman came into the salon from the facial cream company. He said the new way to grow business and earn money to Roma. He suggested, ma'am, don't overthinking on this way. Both will get profit and no one get to know about this. Roma thought this is a good idea. After the salesman leaves, Roma gave instructions to the staff that use the new gold facial cream. She said, use this that specific works. Days passed, Roma and her staff starts applying this gold facial at their customers and earned a lots of money. Every time she buy the cream from same salesman and keep using. One day, Roma, dear friend John, came to the salon. Roma was not there, she gone to the market. Actually, John has participated a beauty contest after some days. John did a gold facial at Roma salon. After a few minutes applying the cream, red rashes appeared on her face. The skin of her face started burning. All her was get dry. She started crying. She called her mom and asked her to come. John's mother comes there. Mom, look me. Oh God, what's happened to my face? This is all because of these facial treatments. How would I go to beauty contest now? Mom, relax her. Yes, my child, everything will be fine. Don't need to worry. And John mom questioned to the staff, which cream did you use at her salon? Staff showed the gold facial to her mom. Staff were get terrified. They called Roma, ma'am. Roma reached her salon immediately. John mom said, let me out. Which cream is this? Oh my God. The cream is expired. That is John's face got infection. Roma feel guilty after seeing John's condition. Roma, why are you using this expired cream? Look at John's condition now. Why did you do that? I will tell you, ma'am. Actually, a company salesman came in my salon and suggested his gold facial is expired, but after expiring, you can use it for 2 or 3 months more. So confirm that nothing happened, anything wrong. This means you are getting this cream at half price, but your job is checking the expiry date. She said, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. I became greedy, extra profit. That is very bad, this Roma. It's something harms on our own people, as you did John today. Roma cries but was intelligent and covered her face with using soothing cushion and gave her best Korean treatment. Roma was upset too because she realized her mistake. There had been another person instead of my sister. I might have gone jail today. She threw this gore official outside and promised herself will not compromise in quality again. Thanks for watching my channel. This is not only a story but also an opportunity to improve your English language skills. It also helps to enhance your English. So please subscribe my channel, hit the bell button, do follow me, like, share and comments below. Take your cares.